Hello everyone. So I just wanted to take a couple minutes here to explain the new procedures for logging on to our Blackboard Collaborate link. That's the platform that we use for our face-to-face class session. So I just want to go over those new procedures because they are a little bit different. Actually, they're very different from what we used on Tuesday. So real quick, this is our Google Classroom page, and we will still be using our Google Classroom pages for our work. So all your assignments will be posted on Google Classroom. This is where you turn in those assignments for the week. All that stuff is still the same as far as the assignment part of the Google, as far as the assignment part of your distance learning. Okay. However, what is different? We are no longer going to be using this link here to access Blackboard Collaborate. These links will disappear. The county is getting rid of them. You'll no longer be able to use these here. So I'm actually going to go through and I'm going to delete them for you so they don't even distract you. Okay, but we are not going to be able to use these Blackboard links anymore. Instead, to access our face-to-face class time sessions, you have to go to Blackboard and log in through our Blackboard page. So when you log into Blackboard here, you're going to go to our class. So if you're in my Red class, you're going to go to me and Mr. Ponce's page here. If you're in my honors class, you're going to go to our honors page here. Okay. And this is going to be the same no matter if you're in my red class or if you're in my honors class. Over here on the left side, there's a little button called Blackboard Collaborate. You're going to click that button and you're going to find your class period. So if you're in my first period class, you're going to find that and you're going to go to the session. Our next live session is on the 21st. So you're going to click that and it will take you to our Blackboard Collaborate session here. Okay. You will not be able to access the Blackboard Collaborate session until 30 minutes before class starts. So don't even try to go in there. Okay. And you need to be able to click on your individual session. Okay. If you click on the wrong session, you won't be going into class. Okay, it'll be a different link. So please make sure that you click on the right section and just double check that before you move on, okay? And if you're in my third period class, obviously go to third period. It's going to be the same thing if you're in my red class. So if you open up the red class, button over here, Blackboard Collaborate, same deal, okay? Now what is going to be a little bit different is our office hours. So each class has their own individual links. However, office hours are open to any of my World 2 students. So in order for that to actually be able to occur, I created a new class called Ms. Schnorr's Office Hours. And everyone should be in that class. So when you go to your Blackboard menu here, you should have a new class called Ms. Schnorr's Office Hours, and you should be enrolled in that. If you are not, please let me know. Okay. And for the office hours, same thing. You're going to go over here to the Blackboard Collaborate and you're going to go find the office hours. So we have recurring office hours on Wednesdays and Fridays from 1 to 1:45. So you're going to click that and you're going to find the right one. So our next office hours is going to be on the 17th. You're going to click that session and it'll bring you straight to our Blackboard session. Okay. And remember, office hours are optional. They're completely up to you whether or not you come in and use them. However, it is a great time to get questions answered and get some extra help. Okay. I also am going to be offering these evening office hours because I know a lot of you have some other responsibilities that maybe you won't be able to access office hours during that 1 to 1:45 time. So if that is the case, I have evening office hours. And again, just click on the right folder on the right session and it'll bring you right to it. Okay. If you have any questions about this moving forward, please email me. If you have any problems accessing this stuff, please email me. All right. And we'll be working on this together. All right. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the upcoming weeks and I'll check in back later. Bye guys.